All right, this is Corey and Mr. Keating, and we are going to demonstrate how to draw a grid lines on your photograph. What you need to do, and you can see I've already have a couple of lines here because I already did the demonstration, but I'll redraw them so you guys know what to do. Remember that you are going to lose a ½ inch of your paper going across this way. So you need to decide where to start zero. I'm going to start zero on the edge of the picture plane right here, because if you look on this side, it matches up to be just 8. So that's how much room I have. I have 8 inches. So what you're going to do, I'm taking a pen so you guys can see me. You can use a pencil if you want. But remember, you don't want to erase on this picture because it'll erase actually the picture if you do that. I'm going to line up 0, not the edge of the ruler, with my picture plane, and I'm going to make a mark on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now notice my marks are vertical marks. I make those, don't just make sloppy, take time to do that. Now this is a very important thing you need to do. You need to slide the ruler, remember sliding the ruler, slide the ruler down. 0, not the edge of the ruler, 0 is on the picture plane. Then I'm going to make marks again. You want to make sure your ruler's not tilted as well. So I might even go all the way down to the edge of my paper down here. Not on 0, so I need to line it up. 1, 2, looks like I'm a little bit off. Well, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then once you've made a mark at the top and the bottom, you turn your ruler. Remember to spread your thumb and finger apart. Put your pencil or pen on one mark. Slide your ruler over, making sure both are on that mark, and connect the line. Oh, don't do that. Just hold it back out. Do it again. Yeah, because people will get dizzy if you do that. Right? And now I'm just connecting all the marks. Drawing all the way. And I'm drawing on mark. Connecting all the marks. That was pretty funny. That was good. Alright. There's my mark here. There's mark. There's my mark. And you can see I'm just connecting all of my marks, sliding them across, making sure each one, before I draw, I make sure it's lined up. Remember, if you erase on this, you will ruin your picture. I'm halfway done. Now, I need to, on my line here, check where's 11. So I'm going to actually, remember, you get the whole width of the paper here. So I'm going to actually measure 0, the whole width from the edge of my paper. I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Don't have to do 11 because it's there. Slide the ruler. Line it up on the next line you have, or the last line. 1, 2, making these vertical marks. 5, 6, vertical marks on mark. Then you'll connect those. Thumb and finger spread apart. Find your mark. Here's my mark. There's mark. And I'm going to connect those up. Double check. If it doesn't look parallel, then you're probably wrong. Oop, sorry. And yeah, don't draw on my tables. You're going to have to see. So look how I'm spreading my marks across. I'm on here, lining up both marks. Mark on here, pencil, lining it up. Pen on there, pen. Notice how I'm doing that. I put my pen on it, put my ruler, slide my ruler over, lining it up on both. If your ruler is crooked, you will ruin this grid. It is very important that you make your grid accurate. I can't express that enough. It is very important that all these lines are parallel, that all these lines are straight, that it is exactly 1 inch square. If you do not make it exactly 1 inch square, your picture will be distorted. Then you're almost done. You have the grid. Can you see it, Corey?
Yeah.
All right. Then turn it vertically to where it looks like that. Then I will make sure I label it. A, B. Oh, I don't want to draw my face, so I'll draw up here. C, D, E, F, G, H. Now over here, remember, A1 is the same box. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Notice how I like to draw my numbers and letters in the middle of the box, so that way there's no confusion. Some people like to draw it on the line, but that makes it confusing. Which one's 2? So draw it in the middle of the box. This is 4. This is box 4. I know this is box 4. I look up. I know this is box D. D4. That's what I would like you to make sure everyone has done by Monday. Thank you. Goodbye.